So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 4th of April. Now, let's just have a look at whatever prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously, we did see sell side momentum coming to the market, breaking down from this 64.76. Strong sell side momentum breaking below these most recent lows in around 63.76. Came down towards this level previously identified in around 63.05. Trade slightly below it. Nothing to be too concerned about. From which we did see prices head above the 63.05, tested 63.05. Had a progression here to the upside towards the 63.76, from which we have seen the sell side momentum re-enter the market. So if we are to see the current trend persist, we've got a high, a lower high still. If we do see the continued progression to the downside, and we are looking for prices to retest the 63.05, successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards the very next major level of 62.54. If we do break down from 62.54, we're then looking for prices head down towards that 61.48 and head down towards that 61.48. And if we do break from there, we're looking for price head down towards that 60.25. If, however, we do find support at the 63.05 or the 62.54, and we are able to break back above the 63.05, we're then looking for prices to retest the 63.76, from which we did previously find resistance. If, however, we do break and hold above the 63.76, we're then looking for prices to progress towards that 64.76. Now, in around 64.76, we have that a confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing potential sell side momentum come back into the market from the 64.76. Might even retrace back down towards that 63.76. But if we do break above the 64.76, the very next major level that we are looking at here is all the way up at 65.60. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart before concluding our analysis here on the US oil. And as we can see here on the US oil, we've posted a low, a higher low, strong move to the upside, almost coming in to retest the old highs, from which we have seen sell side momentum come into the market. We are operating in the shadow of this very strong bearish candle just here. So we've had some retracement. We'll see whether we do see that continued retracement to the upside, or whether this is merely just a dead cat bounce and we do see a stronger move here to the downside, possibly heading down to retest these most recent major lows here on the US oil. And with that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.